Dry cupping, an ancient therapeutic practice with roots in traditional Chinese and Middle Eastern medicine, has seen a resurgence in popularity in recent years. This non-invasive technique involves placing cups on the skin to create suction, which is believed to promote healing and well-being. While the practice may seem unconventional to some, numerous health benefits support its use as a complementary therapy. Here's why you should consider incorporating dry cupping into your wellness routine. 1. Pain relief. One of the most well-documented benefits of dry cupping is its ability to alleviate pain. The suction created by the cups helps to increase blood flow to the affected area, which can reduce muscle tension and promote healing. This makes it particularly effective for conditions such as back pain, neck pain, and joint pain. Athletes and individuals with chronic pain conditions often turn to cupping as a means to manage their discomfort without relying solely on medication. 2. Improved blood circulation. Dry cupping stimulates blood flow, which can be beneficial for overall health. Improved circulation helps to oxygenate tissues and remove metabolic waste products from the body. This process can enhance the function of the cardiovascular system and support the body's natural healing processes. For individuals with circulatory issues or those looking to boost their cardiovascular health, cupping can be a valuable addition to their health regimen. 3. Detoxification. The suction effect of dry cupping helps to draw impurities and toxins to the surface of the skin, where the body's natural detoxification processes can more easily eliminate them. This detoxifying effect is thought to improve skin health and overall well-being. Regular cupping sessions can aid in reducing the toxic load on the body, potentially leading to increased energy levels and improved organ function. 4. Stress reduction and relaxation. In our fast-paced, stress-filled lives, finding ways to relax and de-stress is crucial for maintaining mental and physical health. Dry cupping can induce a state of deep relaxation, similar to that achieved through massage therapy. The increased blood flow and the soothing sensation of the cups on the skin can help to release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, thereby reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. 5. Enhanced immune function. Regular cupping therapy can help to strengthen the immune system. By promoting better blood circulation and removing toxins, cupping supports the body's natural defense mechanisms. This can be particularly beneficial during cold and flu season or for individuals with weakened immune systems. Enhanced immune function means the body is better equipped to fend off infections and recover more quickly from illnesses. 6. Skin health. The benefits of dry cupping extend to the skin as well. The increased blood flow and detoxification process can improve the skin's appearance and health. Cupping can help to reduce the appearance of scars, cellulite, and stretch marks by promoting better circulation and encouraging the regeneration of healthy skin cells. It can also help to clear up skin conditions such as acne by reducing inflammation and improving the skin's natural healing process. Dry cupping is a time-honored therapeutic practice that offers a wide range of health benefits, from pain relief and improved circulation to detoxification and stress reduction. The positive effects of cupping are numerous and well supported by both traditional wisdom and modern research. As with any therapeutic intervention, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting cupping therapy, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Embracing dry cupping can be a valuable step towards achieving better health and wellness in today's fast-paced world.